Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can change your username in Threads app. So this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. I just brought the Threads app on my home screen. So you need to click a Threads app. Once you click Threads app, then you'll get the home page of Threads app, the interface. And once you get there, then you need to click here at the bottom right corner on your screen. So I'm just going here the human icon. Once you click there, then you'll get the option edit profile. Okay, once you click edit profile, here you can see option, and then you will get the four option here. So first option, name. So Raghib Noor, Raghib space Noor, it's the name, display name, and Raghib Noor video is the username, but you never change it here. Okay, you have to change your username in Instagram. So once you change Instagram, then automatically change here that name. So once you click there, then here you can see the pop-up message only and can only be changed in Instagram. So okay friend, today is Norman. Thank you for watching the video.